Hi, I'm Melanie for Balsam Hill. Welcome to my holiday decorating by the room series. In today's video, we'll be decorating a master bedroom with a neutral color palette and a guest bedroom with a more traditional color palette. Let's get started. The family room doesn't have to be the only place in your home for a Christmas tree. And while the family room tree is for you, your family, and friends to enjoy, I believe that the bedroom tree is really more of a treat just for you. In the master bedroom, I'm creating a minimal, romantic Christmas glow, and in the guest bedroom, we'll try a few more traditional techniques. For the master bedroom, consider keeping it simple. Use ribbons, lights, and maybe just a few of your favorite ornaments. In this example, I brought the outdoors in with a grouping of 3 frosted Alpine balsam fir trees. The tips are frosted ever so perfectly. And I also love that there isn't much shaping that's needed for this tree. But my absolute favorite part of the tree are the celestial fairy lights. They add the perfect warm glow that you can enjoy anytime, day or night, and when grouped together, they create a warm, inviting, and festive presentation to fall asleep to or wake up to each day. Next, bring in festive accents to style the rest of your space. Swap out your floral decor with festive alternatives like these tabletop trees. And don't forget to spread the glow around the room. I added these gold glowing Mercury glass orbs, as well as this silver and gold pre-lit ornament garland. Not only is it spectacular on the fireplace, but it's also battery operated and comes with a timer. Another easy way to spread the warm glow around the room is by using candles everywhere. And I like using the flameless flickering candles in the bedroom for extra peace of mind, especially the rechargeable ones. You can also add a wreath over a mirror or wall art, or add garland over your bed frame. And with bedding, you can give your plain bedding a makeover with seasonal pillows. Layer your everyday pillows against the headboard, and then add 2 to 3 solid pillows. Next, I'm creating a wintry pattern with smaller pillows. And then I'm finishing the look with a festive throw pillow. In the guest bedroom, I went with more traditional colors, incorporating lots of reds, golds, and warm tones. I added the 6-foot frosted forest pine tree because I love the personality of this tree. To complement the natural beauty of the tree, I added a few red jingle bell picks, and then I tucked these woodland birds in towards the trunk of the tree. To finish the look, rather than a traditional tree skirt, I added a pre-lit tree collar. And finally, here's one more example of how to incorporate wreaths and garlands into a bedroom. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you got some great ideas. I'll have links provided in the description box below for you if you'd like to shop the look. And if you haven't already, make sure you check out the other 2 videos in this series.